Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu would say to Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, O Adam, he will thereupon say, I am present to obey your command, and all goodness is in your possession. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu would say, bring out the group of the doomed. Hazrat Adam alayhi salam will ask, how many are the doomed in number? He Jalla Jalaluhu will say, 999 out of each 1,000. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, it will be the time when the children will look old, fearing Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and every pregnant will cast her conception, and all the people will seem intoxicated, though they will not be intoxicated in reality. But the chastisement of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is extremely severe. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu said, hearing the hadith, the companions got extremely disconcerted and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam, who is a paradise bound amongst us? He sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, cheer up. There will be one of you in comparison with 1,000 of Gog Magog. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then said, by him in whose possession my soul is, I wish you must be a 1/4 of the inmates of paradise. The transmitter say, we whereupon raised the slogan of Takbir and extolled Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam then said, by him in whose possession my soul is, I aspire that you must be a 1/3 of the paradise dwellers. We again raised the slogan of Takbir and praised Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alayhi wasallam again said, by him in whose possession my soul is, I desire that you must form 1/2 of the inhabitants of paradise, and your example in comparison with the ummah prior to you is like a white hair on the skin of a black bull, or a patch on the foot of an ass. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 531.